I literally do not understand why people hate on me so hard for quitting motocross. Like, I mean, these DMs and comments are actually crazy. I mean, like, I'm all for it, right? Like, I'm growing, but some people are just so small-minded into motocross. And I remember because I was the same way. But there's so much more to life when you actually step away from it. And only if you guys knew what was on the other side. I mean, this life is a lot better. Don't get me wrong, it was hard at first and it's still tough, but a lot more reward. And honestly, I just miss like the memories from motocross. Like, I don't miss like the physical aspect of it at all, to be honest.